We are busy with public versus private goods. And first of all, we want to see what is the differences between private and public goods.
Of the different demand curves.
And we can only do this if we take a look at the equilibrium. How are you going to determine the equilibrium? First off, get the price
Quantity stays
at which
the
these
same
people
because
are going to
nobody can be
buy,
excluded
or then demand
from
the
using
quantities. First person
product. The
just
first
demand
curve is then Joanne,
Q1. The second person will demand maybe
P1.
more.
The second demand curve
Bongani.
is Bongani.
This is Q2. This means that at that specific price, let's say it's a bag of potatoes at 50 Rand,
the total,
and at that specific price, they will demand
plus
first of all one bag of potatoes, and then second of all, Bongani will demand maybe 2 bags of potatoes if that potatoes cost a specific price of 50 Rand. And to get the equilibrium, you go and take a look at
the different demand curves.
the following.
Although
You
Joanne
sum
pays less
Joanne
tax than Bongani,
and
they both get the
Bongani's
same quantity.
demand
For example,
curves,
a robot. You
and
cannot
to
exclude
draw
anybody
in the
from using
supply
that
is
specific robot.
And
So
this
the
is to
very
get the
important
equilibrium then.
stays the same, although they might be paying different prices,
Equilibrium
in this
quantity.
case, different taxes as such.
This means that it is actually a horizontal summation of the different demand curves. Next time we will look at public goods, and you'll see in terms of private goods, you can exclude somebody from using it. If that person is not able to pay the price, there's rivalry involved. In other words, there's competition in terms of the price. And in this case, price is equal to marginal cost equals marginal cost, or marginal utility is equal to marginal cost. Next time we'll take a look at the characteristics of public goods.
You can be excluded from using. People will be have different abilities to pay that specific price, and that's why certain people will maybe buy less at that specific price, or other individuals might buy more at that specific price. So they've got different abilities to pay. So it's rivalrous, and you can be excluded from using it. Going back to public goods, you will see vertical summation very important. So it's important that you grasp the different characteristics of private and public goods.